Hey, let's see how you can add a poll to your Instagram story. So first you have to open up your Instagram app and go to story section. Now choose the photo or video you just want to share on your story. Now from here, you just have to tap on sticker icon at the top and select the poll sticker. Here you can easily type your question for the poll. Below that, you will see the default yes and no option, which you can easily edit and customize. So here you can see I just rewrite them, and now you can add your own options. Once you are done with your question and options, just go for done and place the poll anywhere on your story where it looks clear and easy to read. So when everything looks good for you, just tap share to post your story. Now when your friends watch your story like this, they can easily participate by voting in the poll. You can check the results and see who voted by opening your story and viewing the activity. And that's it. That's how you can add a poll to your Instagram story. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.